Hello everyone, my name is Shashank Saxena and the name of my project is Suspicious Email Detection using Advanced Feature Selection. So let's begin. Email is the most popular way of communication of this era as it provides an easy and reliable method of communication. Email messages can be sent to an individual or groups within a single click. Nowadays, most of the current trading world cannot be even imagined without the use of the email. So, as we know, the current email systems receives emails without even rectifying the intended user and authorizing the authenticity of the sender. Neither the suspicious emails can be detected, nor the offensive or inappropriate content can be detected. Email content analysis, which is a major part of my project, is an important aspect of the email section. Content analysis is extremely minor or negligible in the current state which needs to be rectified. The less importance given to suspicious email has given rise to a pile of problems such as information security, phishing, etc. And these tricks victims into giving over credential for all sort of sensitive accounts such as email, corporate intranets, and more. Even for cautious users, it's sometimes difficult to detect an email attack. These attacks have become more sophisticated over time. So the aim of my project is to suspect the emails which consist of offensive antisocial elements and block them, which helps in identifying the suspicious user. In this project, suspicious users are identified by determining the keywords used by the sender. The keywords such as bomb, RDX, or any suspicious keyword, if found in the mails, are blocked by the administrator and try to find out the user who sent it. This project uses multiple techniques such as data mining, decision trees, etc., and then apply various feature selection techniques to detect suspicious emails. So basically, this is a three-step process. The initial step is the system analysis. In this process, the whole prior system is analyzed and rectified, and a new system is proposed. The second step is the feature selection, and the third and the final step is the system architecture. So the first step is the system analysis. So to create or develop a new system, first we have to study the prior system. Analyze difficult problems faced by the operator. System analysis therefore understands such problems and proposes a new system in which the above problems are rectified. The problem under consideration is to identify emails that contain suspicious content such as future terrorism events, sensitive data, credential information, etc. Initially, each email is given a label, and basically we'll start with a training set, and each email is given a label. The purpose is to formulate a model that learns from the training set and is able to classify a new email sample as either suspicious or non-suspicious. So the proposed system first extracts useful features from the email body. If suspicious features are present in certain combination, the email is marked as suspicious and the evidence of a potential negative event is captured. If some features, that is keywords, are present but not others, that is suspicious indicators, it may just be an email discussing past events, maybe condemning the event, and so on. This system works on a hierarchy of algorithm. Now the second step is the feature selection. The feature selection is a way to select a subset of the original feature space. The number of features in the space affects the computation time and also the accuracy of the classifier. For our task, we have applied a supervised filter feature selection method because our task is typically supervised machine learning classification task. And as our project is a machine learning based project, we can use linear and logistic regression after we'll start using uh, high density data sets, because now we'll be using a very small data set just to check our project. The third and the final step is the system architecture. The strategy used in the proposed system for feature selection and generation is the one that it is kept outside the main classification engine. Initially, a text message is given as an input, and then feature selection strategies are applied. Further, the email is finally detected to be suspicious or not. Based on the system analysis, feature selection, and system architecture, the email is divided into smaller frames, datasets, or training sets. The useful information is extracted and undergoes furthermore examination of keywords, credentials, and sensitive data. Based on the algorithm, the email is detected to be suspicious or non-suspicious, and thus the email is forwarded to the intended user. If detected suspicious, the email is sent into a suspicious folder without the user interacting it, and the sender is constantly questioned. Although if user wants, he/she can open it, but on their own risk. This process is highly recommended into security systems, police department, information security, etc. I would like to conclude by saying that in this project I have presented suspicious email detection strategies using various classifiers and different system analysis, feature selection, and system architecture method. I conclude that the used algorithms are working pretty accurate and in a sophisticated way. Although the dataset I have used is pretty small, but this dataset will constantly increase by the usage of this project, as it is a typical machine learning based project. The feature selection algorithm will learn on its own the new keywords which are detected to be suspicious on a future basis. After applying the appropriate feature selection strategy, the logistic regression also gave the maximum performance. Thank you.